Tagalog is pronounced as it is written. For example, magandang umaga. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Repeat after me again. Magandang umaga. Good morning. How are you? Kumusta ka? Repeat after me. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Thank you. Salamat. 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 And we have a few basic vocabulary. Bata is child. Kid. Bata. Bata. Where is the kid? Where is the child? Nasaan ang bata? Repeat after me. Nasaan ang bata? The food is tasty. The food is delicious. Masarap ang pagkain. Masarap ang pagkain. Pagkain, food. Tahanan, home. Or bahay, home. Tahanan. Tahanan. Malinis ang tahanan namin. Our home is clean. Our house is clean. Malinis ang tahanan namin. If you've been looking for someone to practice Tagalog with, you could go to learntagalogfilipino.com and begin speaking Tagalog.